Welcome to my channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers and my current ones as well. You're very welcome. Today's video is about an item you can have in your emergency survival fishing kit. And this item is specific for a type of fish, namely the pike. And the item is as follows. This. What do you think this is? This is a pike shear. It has a strong spring here, and you have this little one. You put the line up here, and this notch here will be attached to that one. And you bend this up like this, and the spring is really heavy and strong for its size. And the hook here, you attach the bait. And you leave it in the water until the big pike decide to take the bait. When the jaws are open and this is attached or loaded, when the pike bites, take the bait, it pulls, so this release this upper jaw and snaps. It's like a shear. And as you see, it is nice and sharp, really nice and sharp. I can put my finger here, and the pressure from this, I can feel it. So when this is loaded, whatever you do, don't have your fingers in between, because your finger will probably break or hurt a lot. So this is my item for this video, and I have 9 more of these, and I had decided to have these in my emergency fishing kit, emergency survival fishing kit. And you know what? These pike shears are legal to use here in Sweden, but for professional use. But in an emergency and survival situation, and you have 10 of these, it's awesome. You have 10 chances to get fish. And you attach your fishing line through that hole. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I don't know if pike shear is the correct word for this one, because I don't know if you have these in US or UK or anywhere else, by the way. But anyway, that's all for this video, and you know what? I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I will see you at Saturday on the live stream. So we might talk about these a little bit more. So take care, stay safe, be prepared. ShadowScoutSwede out.